need help, but you stay silent because you're scared your English isn't good enough. I'm Emily, and today you'll learn exactly how to ask for help in any situation without sounding rude or feeling embarrassed. Miss just one of these phrases and you'll keep struggling alone when someone nearby could solve your problem in seconds. Brian, when was the last time you needed help but didn't ask?
Probably yesterday at the store.
What happened?
I couldn't find something, but I just kept looking instead of asking.
That's so common. Okay, let's fix that. First rule, always start with "excuse me."
Excuse me.
Good. Now add "can you help me?"
Can you help me?
Perfect. Put them together. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excellent. That works everywhere. Store, street, office, anywhere. Now let's make it more polite. Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
Practice that. Say the full thing.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Nice. Say it again.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Perfect. Now you need to say what you need. At a store, I'm looking for batteries.
I'm looking for batteries.
Easy. Or I can't find the milk.
I can't find the milk.
Right. Full sentence now. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for batteries.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for batteries.
Great. Now, different situation. You don't understand something. Maybe instructions, maybe directions. You say, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Simple. Or I'm confused.
I'm confused.
Both work. Now add this. Could you explain that again?
Could you explain that again?
Perfect. Or could you show me?
Could you show me?
Yes, that's if you need them to demonstrate something.
So if someone's telling me how to use something, I say, could you show me?
Exactly. Now here's an important one. You're carrying something heavy. You need physical help. Could you give me a hand?
Could you give me a hand?
That's very common. It means help me with this task.
Give me a hand. Got it.
Or you can say, could you help me with this?
Could you help me with this?
Good. Now imagine you're at work or school. You need help with a project. I need some help with this.
I need some help with this.
Nice. Or I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
That means you tried, but you can't figure it out.
So I'm stuck is like I hit a wall.
Exactly. People say it all the time. I'm stuck on this math problem, or I'm stuck on this report.
That's useful.
Very. Now, what if someone's busy? You need to check first. Do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute?
Perfect. Or are you busy?
Are you busy?
Yes, that's polite because you're not assuming they have time.
Makes sense.
Now let's practice refusing help politely. Sometimes people offer help, but you're okay. They say, do you need help? You say, no thank you, I'm okay.
No thank you, I'm okay.
Or, I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks.
Exactly, short and friendly. Now, accepting help, they offer, you say, yes please, that would be great.
Yes please, that would be great.
Or just, yes please, thank you.
Yes please, thank you.
Perfect. Now here's something important. After someone helps you, always say more than just thanks. Say, thank you so much, I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, I really appreciate it.
Or, thanks, you saved me.
Thanks, you saved me.
That's more casual, but very American.
I like that one.
Now let's practice a full scenario. You're at a coffee shop, you spilled your drink. Ask for help.
Excuse me, can you help me? I spilled my coffee.
Great, I'm the worker. Oh no, let me get some napkins.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. Another one. You're on the bus, not sure where to get off. Ask the driver.
Excuse me, could you help me? I need to get off at Main Street.
Sure, I'll let you know.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Excellent. One more. Your computer isn't working at the office. Ask your coworker.
Hey, do you have a minute? I'm stuck. My computer froze.
Yeah, let me take a look.
Thanks so much.
See how natural that was? You didn't sound needy, just normal.
Yeah, it's not as scary as I thought.
Right, because you're being polite and clear. Now, here's something people forget. If you need specific help, be specific. Don't just say, I need help. Say, I need help opening this jar, or I need help understanding this form.
That makes it easier for them to help.
Exactly. They know exactly what to do. One last thing. Sometimes you need urgent help. You say, I need help right now, or this is urgent.
I need help right now.
Yes, but only use that for real emergencies.
Got it.
Okay, you now know how to ask for help in stores, at work, on the street, anywhere. The magic phrases are, excuse me, can you help me? And I'm looking for, or I don't understand, or I'm stuck. Just be polite, be clear, and people will help you. Here's my question for you. What's something you needed help with recently but didn't ask? Tell me in the comments. And if this gave you the confidence to actually ask for help next time, subscribe for more beginner English. See you soon.